from the Lakeside newsroom of the Henrico Citizen, your hometown news source since 2001. This is the Henrico News Minute with publisher Tom Lapis.
How Henrico County officials trimmed nearly $100 million from their proposed budget, and an update on the county's COVID-19 numbers coming up on today's Henrico News Minute for Monday, May 11th, 2020. It's brought to you today by Humana.
And now for the news.
Henrico County's Board of Supervisors tomorrow night is expected to adopt a revised budget proposal for the 2020-2021 fiscal year, which will begin July 1st. On HenricoCitizen.com this morning, I take a deeper look into how the county slashed nearly $100 million from its original budget proposal in light of the COVID-19 pandemic. Among the choices officials made, freezing all vacant jobs, foregoing a planned 3% pay raise for eligible employees, trimming 5% from the operating budgets of every county department, and freezing all new capital projects that had not yet gotten underway. The county also solicited ideas from its residents about how to save money and received more than 150 emails with ideas, including one that made its way into the budget and could result in a savings of about $1.5 million. Check out HenricoCitizen.com right now to read my article. This morning's numbers from the Virginia Department of Health show that 1,083 Henrico residents have tested positive for COVID-19. That's up by about 50 from Friday's report. The county has reported a total of 110 deaths related to the virus, 87 of them among people 70 or older. There are currently 15 known outbreaks in the county, defined as multiple cases in one location. 13 of those have occurred in long-term care facilities, accounting for about 43% of Henrico's total number of cases. Among those infected, 116 healthcare workers in the county, or about 11% of all total positive results in Henrico. We still don't know how many people have been tested overall in the county, though, because the VDH removed that information from its website about 2 weeks ago. Officials said at the time that it would be restored once they corrected a glitch in their system. The Citizen was able to learn last Tuesday that nearly 4,800 Henrico residents, or about 1.5% of the county's population, had been tested at that point. We have requested updated numbers from the health department and will keep you informed when we learn more. A traffic accident near Lakeside claimed the life of one man on Saturday morning. Wayne O'Brien was driving his SUV northbound on Glenside Drive when he struck the rear of a work truck at the intersection of Staples Mill Road. It happened a little after 11 o'clock Saturday. O'Brien died as a result of the crash. A Glen Allen native will continue his professional soccer career in the Belgian Pro League. Chris Durkin was transferred from DC United of Major League Soccer in the U.S. to the Belgian team for $1.1 million. He had already spent most of the 2019-20 season playing with the club on loan from DC United. Durkin became part of the DC United Academy, a training program for the club, at the age of 12 while still living with his family in Glen Allen. He later played for the under-17 and under-20 United States World Cup teams before signing with DC United in 2016 and making his MLS debut with the team in March of 2018. He played in 38 MLS games altogether. Well, if you've been waiting to take a trip to the DMV, you'll have to wait a bit longer. The agency announced Friday that all of its customer service centers will continue to remain closed until further notice. Don't worry, though, you can still conduct a number of actions online or by mail, and if your license or registration has expired during the closure, DMV will extend those deadlines by at least 2 months. For details, you can visit www.dmv.virginia.gov. And a reminder that later this week on Thursday, the Henrico Health District will host a community testing event for COVID-19 at the Eastern Henrico Recreation Center at 1440 North Laburnum Avenue. The event will run from 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. Testing will be conducted by appointment. To register, you can call the Health District's hotline at 205-3501. Walk-up testing is available to anyone who meets testing criteria, but is not guaranteed. Now, the testing is for those 5 years or older who are uninsured or underinsured who have COVID-19 symptoms, or for those who are pregnant, have underlying medical conditions that put them at risk, or are ages 65 or older. Today's Henrico News Minute has been brought to you by Humana. Turning 65 and have questions about Medicare? Humana can help. Call licensed sales agent Eric Jones at 804-253-0056 to learn more.